Creating a group in Microsoft Teams is very easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and go to Microsoft 365. The Microsoft homepage will appear. Navigate through the various pages at the left side, as you can see, until you find the Apps option and click on this button. A new page will open, displaying many apps such as Word, Excel, Teams, Outlook, and PowerPoint. You can easily use which one you want. Click on Teams button. Microsoft Teams will open, presenting you with 4 main options: Activity, Community, Chat, and Calendar. You can easily use which one you want. To create a group, click on the Chat option. The Chat page will open. Click on the New Chat option at the top of the list of recent chats. Moving forward, enter the email addresses or names of the individuals you want to include in the group chat. After entering the names, press Enter. Type the name of the group and proceed. Now, you can start chatting with your friends within the newly created group. By following these steps, you can easily create a group in Microsoft Teams.